Hi, good evening. We're gonna make Diet Sprite today on the show Cooking with Brie.
Oh, it's gonna die. Hurry up. Drink it all.
Oh, that is really bad. That's really bad. What is that?
You're the cook.
Ew. That's Diet Right. That's Diet Sprite. Diet Right.
Diet Sprite. Not to be confused with Diet Sprite.
That was really bad. Thank you for cooking with Brie. Let me see it.